Have you ever wondered why Mercury and Venus, our sun's closest neighbors, don't have any moons? It's a classic space mystery, and the answer is actually a mix of cosmic bad luck and some tough physics. Let's break it down. First up, it's all about location. Mercury and Venus are right next to the sun, and that's a big deal. The sun's gravity is ultra strong in this part of the solar system. If a small moon tried to orbit Mercury or Venus, the sun would basically yank it away, like a cosmic tug-of-war where the sun always wins. So any potential moon is more influenced by the sun's pull than the tiny gravity of Mercury or Venus. That makes it almost impossible for these planets to keep a moon in orbit for long. Now, let's talk about how planets get moons in the first place. A lot of moons are captured asteroids or formed from massive impacts. But here's the thing, Mercury and Venus don't have a lot of material nearby to capture. The asteroid belt is way farther out, so there just aren't many wandering rocks for them to grab. Plus, their atmospheres are either super thin or totally missing, which means they can't slow down incoming objects enough to catch them as moons. But what if they had moons in the past? Well, some scientists think Venus might have had a moon formed by a giant impact, kind of like how our own moon was born. But Venus spins really slowly and in the opposite direction of most planets. That weird rotation could mean any moon it had probably spiraled inward and crashed back into the planet, thanks to strong tidal forces. Mercury, being so small and close to the sun, would have lost any early moon in a similar way. Gravity is the last piece of the puzzle. Mercury and Venus are much smaller and lighter than planets like Jupiter or even Earth. Their gravity just isn't strong enough to keep a moon from drifting away, especially with the sun's powerful gravity nearby. So to sum it up, Mercury and Venus are just too close to the sun, with not enough muscle to hold onto moons and not enough material to capture new ones. Any moons they might have had were probably lost to the sun or crashed right back into the planet. The next time you look up at the night sky and spot the moon, remember, it's actually kind of rare for an inner planet to have one. And if you want to see how strong solar gravity messes up a moon's orbit, I can show you some cool visual models and simulations. Just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.